we going?
We're going to see some ostrich.
Some ostrich and emu.
It's right there. Look at the ostrich.
Emu farm.
Emu.
Emu viewing.
Emu.
Ostrich and emu.
Emu viewing.
Ah, ang ostrich mahabalig.
Ang
There you
emu,
go.
maliit.
Ostrich have long neck. Emu have shorter ones.
How you said emu? Or emu?
Emu or emu. There you go. We're doing that.
Thank you.
Hope you guys enjoy. If just let us know. Yeah.
Let the wings spin it!
Wala walang bayad?
Walang bayad.
Ba't nakalagay ng 7?
Uy, ikaw magbayad ka doon ng 7. Ah, dali. Madapa ka ha. Hawakan muna kita. So here are the ostrich.
Come on, I'm gonna feed them.
Wow, so big.
Yes. What do you think you want?
What do you think you want?
Oi!
They're part of the chicken category. That's Ostrich.
Oh, to emus. Ba't nakalagay dun sa sign emus?
Emus and Ostrich.
They're dancing. Oh, like showing off,
Oh.
recording.
Ayan pa, isa takal sa kami.
Yeah. Miss Chloe.
Ganyan pa to start yan.
Get closer, Anne. Anne, look at me. Anne, look at me.
Hey, you're scared.
Hey!
Get closer, Anne. They're not gonna.
I'm scared.
This way. Oh, you're too tall? Okay, I'm too short.
Magkano pa kayo? Oh, look at her eyelashes na pa daw kayo.
Getting is nothing.
There you go. Right there. I think it's gone.
There's two of them. Two! Kahit.
That's good. Just
Si ano?
Wow, you are so aggressive to eat.
Okay. Oh my God.
Careful.